Plaustrate doesn't float until it's activated. Only after being
Wow, Shen.
Only because I don't care for her stories most.
Hold on a sec. If we activate it here, there's no... But if we don't activate it, how else are we gonna...
Don't worry. I can handle the...
Are you sure?
Please don't worry. I'm well aware that a plaustrate sample this large must be highly valuable. I will be gentle with my safety.
That's right. You gotta be extra...
I'll go on ahead with the plot.
How is Shenhe able to carry that huge rock all by herself? Adepti super strength much? We can't slow down yet.